Well, the idea with Guy is to explore Indian cooking techniques. The result is something new, something different, something modern almost. Most of the time you learn what to do and sometimes you learn what not to do as well. Your mantra has to be very simple. It's yes, chef. That's what you need to do in a kitchen. Yes, chef. And you do it. You can see how the flavors are built through. There's a little bit of sweetness. There's a spice that comes through. There is bitterness. And together we will discover all the common points between Indian cuisine and Thai cuisine, all the things that make it different and all the things that brings it together. I'm Garima Arora and this is the taste of Indian cooking. All right, today we're going to learn together the basic of Indian cooking, a little bit about Indian fermentation, the use of spices as well. Together we will make black rice dosa, homemade yogurt, because homemade is best, 1 spoon. Tomato pickle, because without achar, there's no good meal. We're going to learn how to make a basic paratha, a basic bread great for breakfast. And one of my favorite use of local ingredients, jackfruit. We're going to make a little bit of a curry, almost tastes like meat, but made with unripe jackfruit. I hope you go further by my story.